This razor only cost $26. A&E, Ariana and Evans, H2C hybrid safety razor. So let me lather up my face and we'll get right to the shave. One of my absolute favorites. I'm going in with my timeless adjustable shaving brush with the G5C knot. I just went down and grabbed some water. That's how easy it is for you to prep a synthetic brush. With a boar or badger, you gotta let it soak in water for several minutes. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass.
Music licensing reimagined.
I mean, this soap and brush combination is phenomenal. Highly recommend it. If you haven't used any of Peter's soaps over at Ariana and Evans, and I'm just gonna call it A&E, you need to try some. Use my shopping links below and save 10% on your entire order. So with Ariana and Evans, you can sit and add bulk to your face as much as you absolutely want. I mean, this stuff is just hungry for water. I see a lot of people that don't add enough water when they're using a good quality soap. You want that water to help hydrate your skins, help lift them up so you can prepare them to get cut by this razor blade. It's a key. And this is why I face lather so much, is because I want to spend that time that I would have been whipping up a lather in a bowl on my face. That makes sense. But if you have a ton of time, I guess it's not a big deal. But I always like to have this rest on my face for about 3 to 4 minutes at bare minimum. All right, we're all lathered up and going over this safety razor. It's beautiful. It is a open comb on one side. Now I do have an AccuForge blade in it. It is a 3-piece razor. So it's open comb on one side, and then it's a closed bar on the other. The shaving canals in it are pretty cool. You can see behind it here. There's not one behind the open comb. So how this is made is, it's a brass handle, which is the round one. He has a flat one as well. And it's made out of brass. And then the top cap and the base plate are all made out of zinc alloyed with a brass pin. I don't know if you've ever used some of Germany's razors or even some of the ones from China. They're all zinc alloyed, and it's that cheap metal, and from screwing it in and out, you can break off the pin. It happens to a lot of people, especially on the Merkur 34C. One of the downfalls of that razor. The blade gap on this is 0.70, so it's got a good blade gap. And I don't know if it's neutral or not, but I mean, I just did a head shave with it and it came out wonderful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do open comb on one side and closed comb on the other side to see if I can tell a difference in the shave. And can you hear the difference? So just let me put some more water on this nice face lather I got going here. I mean, look at that crap. That's just so good. I'm telling you, you could do this 4 days. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the closed comb on this side. Very nice. Open comb. Yeah, way more efficient. Same thing. The blade feel is neutral, even on the open comb. Yeah, I actually think the open comb is a little smoother. Now, I do have 3 days of growth, so my 3 days is really thick. It's probably like other people's 5 or 6 days. Yeah, it's definitely a neutral razor. That was the closed bar. Let's go for the open over here. I mean, an amazing shave. This razor only cost $26.95. It's crazy. All right, I'm going to do open comb. I like it better. It actually feels smoother to me. I'll use the closed side too. Why not? All right, call that good. That first pass, something special is all I got to say. And I did not rush that shave at all. Never shaved that way before. So on the first pass, the open comb obviously took down more growth. It's just how it's going to be. But I am going to do 2 passes with it. So I'm just going to reapply some of this on my face. Now again, I could sit here and build this way back up, but I don't have to. This soap is so slick. I mean, super slick. It's the best-selling soap out there. And now they're backing up with a razor company. Come on, America. Love it. Yeah, closed comb. Yeah, that feels better than a Merkur 34C. So good. Same thing over here. Yeah, that's just real comfortable. I mean, wow. $27. It's not made in China. He didn't really say it was made, but he's like, it's not China, it's not Pakistan. I don't know, is it India? Who cares? I mean, if it's a good razor. Yeah, we're calling that good. This is going to be the tell-all, is the alum block. I like to wet my face and then just go back over it with the alum block. Up, little tingle. Nothing over here though. Almost a flawless shave. I did a head shave with it. I'm like, wow, that's going to be a really good razor for face shaving. Yeah, it's so good. I highly recommend it. If you are looking for an inexpensive razor or you just want to try something new, this is a great way. You're going to get 2 razors in one. One side, you get an open comb, and the other side, you get a closed bar. And it's not some cheap Chinese knockoff. It's not that. Now, hopefully Peter will send me another one of these, and I'm going to give this away, but I'm going to compare this to a couple other razors before I do give it away, and I'll get in contact with him. I spoke with him up at Maggart's wet shave meetup, so I did see a lot of you subscribers up there too, and that was so much fun talking to, you know, people that enjoy what you enjoy, wet shaving. And obviously, I enjoyed. I make videos about it. What do I think about this razor? I think it's a great concept. I like the weight of it, the balance of it in your hand. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels expensive. It's 98 grams. You can tell you're holding something in your hand. The weight of it, it is a little top heavy, but when you're shaving, that's actually a good thing because You don't want to apply pressure to your face. So, I mean, I give this a 10 out of a 10 for price, affordability, how well it shaves. This thing is dynamite. I'll leave the links below, and I'll see you guys next Sunday at 11 a.m. Thanks for watching. The